try to make the name. Your internet terrible. Okay, so I'm try make a name. Yeah, let's try. Maybe in Sophia. Sophia is all the letters. Or Sabine, Sabine. Okay, Sabine. So we go to make the S. Okay, here. Here is not the top of the Y, not so much nice. Here. And here. Then fold. Okay. And way up. Yes. SA. We fold it to the back. Here. Hello everyone, welcome to my live streaming. Here we make space. Okay. SA. B. We make the name SABI. SABI. Yeah. N. 'Tight here. Thank you. Barching. Send picture from this weekend with the 14 heart for necklace and a mini pillow from Della. Okay, I will check your picture, dear. Thank you. Here. This one is the ABIN. Here. E. Okay. Okay, so we are make the name Sabine. Yes, Sabine. Yes, Sabine, your name. Today we make was a very good market. Yeah, your business good on weekend, dear Stephanie. Yep, thank you. So we make the letter here. The letter Sabine we just done. Yeah, thank you. So today we are making the letter S. We are make the letter S. Okay, letter S. Okay, so today is the way to make the letter S. We have two different way make the letter S. Okay, thank you. When you are going to make my name, when we learn T, I going to make Betty. Yeah. Now I don't know how to make a T. S-T. Tomorrow make your name Betty. T. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to learn the T. Okay. So here, this one and this Sabine that we just made. Okay. And at the end we can make a little loop. Yeah. We have fold a little loop here. Okay, here the little loop of your name. Okay, thank you. Here, this one. Hi, TikTok. Happy to see you. Yes, picture used a lot of your chin. Okay.